new set of officers. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Alan, having been elected to the position of kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas, do hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will conscientiously, faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my office, that I will uphold and defend the KVP's Constitution and bylaws, and bear true faith in allegiance to the same, that I will obey and enforce the laws, rules, and regulations and the policies of the KVP, that I will actively participate and support all KVP activities and programs, including those that shall herein adopted that will benefit my KVP in general and the members and in particular. In that, finally, I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations to our new set of officers for 2025 and 2026.
Alright, once again, a big round of applause for our newly inducted officers. And now we'd like to ask Dr. Waniwan to please step forward together with Mr. Ronald Rufin. This will be the official turnover of the key of responsibility. We'd also like to request the rest of the Board of Trustees and key officers to please stand by at the back of Mr. Rufin and Dr. Waniwan. KVP, ladies and gentlemen, this is the official turnover of the key of responsibility from Mr. Ronald Rufin to Dr. Ronnie Waniwan. Again, a big round of applause, everyone, to our newly inducted key officers.